Friends, are you ready to do some math?
Yeah.
Today we're going to do something a little different than we've ever done before.
What?
It's hard and challenging.
We've done challenging things before, but we figured them out.
I agree. So that's why I'm willing to give you another challenging work. You guys have figured out the area model of multiplication, and you first graders have figured out multiplication and what we mean. What does multiplication mean?
Putting groups together.
Putting groups together. Let's go ahead and do all of our things. Addition means put it together. Subtraction means take it away or break it apart and see what's left. Multiplication means putting groups together, and division means sharing it out. So today we're going to do some area model of multiplication, and we're going to do some big numbers. Okay? We're going to do 2-digit numbers times 2-digit numbers. Are you ready? I have 23 times 46.
That's better.
That's better? Okay. So 23. So I'm going to put, how many tens do I have?
20.
I have 2 tens, which is 20, right? So I'm going to put it like this.
1. Are you taking away?
No. Multiplication means I'm putting groups together. So I'm not taking away. I'm multiplying. Do you see this X symbol? What? This is where the units are. Yes, and how many units do I need? 1, 2, 3. What? Come on, stay units. Okay, now what do I need on this other side?
4 tens.
4 tens, that's right. I need 4 tens. And 6 units. You guys got this. This is like, I wonder if we can figure out. You have figured out so much. Now, can you just pretend that the black line keeps going? Stay, 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 stay. Do I have 6 yet? 6. Good. Okay. Now, what? I gotta scooch them down. Okay. What is 10 times 10?
12. 20.
No, 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 times 10 is 100. Look, if we're counting by tens, we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100! Everybody go, whoa! Because it's 100. It's like even more than 10, right? So I'm going to put 100 here. Now,
It's like a puzzle.
it is like a puzzle. It is. Okay, now I'm going to do 10 times this other 10. What's 10 times 10? Yeah, say it like you mean it. What's 10 times 10? 100. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a big number. What's 10 times 1? What if I'm just counting by 10 one time? Look.
10.
10. Okay. What's 10 times this one? 10. Ooh, what's 10 times this one?
10.
10 again. Man, this is going to be a really big number. Oh my gosh, already we have 230 as part of our partial product of our answer. But that's not even going to be how big it is, because we're going to do this row and this row and this row and this row to make kind of our own array of these big numbers. Are you ready? So now I have this one. What is 10 times 10?
100.
100. Woo! And what is 10 times 10?
100.
You know it. You know it. And what's 10 times this one?
10.
10, right? Because it's just like we're going to count by 10 one time. Look. 10. Oh, got it. And what about this one? 10 times this one?
10.
10. Good. You're not supposed to know this yet. And what's 10 times this one?
10.
So forget about it.
No.
Right?
You just
Ooh.
10.
So Stefan, you got to scooch back just a little bit so the camera can see the math here. Miriam, you're not supposed to know this yet. Forget about it. Okay, look. Are you going to forget about it?
No.
You guys are so powerful. Okay. I thought you'd be able to figure this out. That's so fun. Okay, 10 times 10. What is this one? This 10 times 10. 100. Another 100. Oh my gosh, we're getting so big. And another one, 10 times 10 is 200. And another 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. Ooh, what is this 10 times 10? 10 times 10. Another 100. 10 times 10. What's 10 times 10? 100. What's 10 times 1? 10. What's 10 times 1? 10. What's 10 times 1? 10. Oh my goodness. I thought I was going to trick you on this.
That's 100 of some of those.
Whoa, look how many of these there are. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,
And 20.
120. Oh, I like how you put them together. Okay, wait. Now are we done? No. Now we look at this one. Look, I have 1 times 10. What's 1 times 10?
10.
Look what we just did. Commutative property. 10 times 1 is 10. 1 times 10 is 10. Why?
Because it's the same thing.
It's not. It still makes 10. It gets to the same number, but why? It's different. What did you just say? Are your eyes big enough to, are you awake enough to say that? Commutative property. Can you say it? Are you awake enough? You have to say big eyes. Are you ready? Say it. Oh, you are good. You are good. You must have gotten some sleep last night. Woo. Okay. Okay. Listen. In your mind, you drink coffee. In my mind, I should try that because I need some coffee. Okay. Look, I have this 1 times the 10. Is that the same as 10 times 1?
Yes.
Yes. Commutative property. Look at that. 1 times 10. Now I have 1 times this other 10. What's 1 times 10? 10. Okay. Now I'm going to trick you. What's 1 times 1? Look, I'm going to count by 1 time. 1. Ah! 1. What's 1 times 1? 1. What's 1 times 1? 1. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's 1 times 10? 10. Okay. What's 1 times 10? 10. What's 1 times 1?
10.
Ah, what's 1 times 1? 1. Look. 1.
1.
What's 1 times 1?
1.
What's 1 times 1?
1.
Oh my goodness. Come on, once. I wish they would stick where I put them.
Come
Stay.
on, baby one.
Come on, baby ones. The little ones like to move around a little bit. Okay.
They don't like the
Now
ones.
I have the same pattern over and over again. What's 1 times 10?
1.
No.
1
What's 1 times 10? What's 1 times 10?
10.
What's 1 times 10? 10. Okay, say it like you mean it. What's 1 times 10?
10.
What's 1 times 1?
1.
What's 1 times 1?
1.
What's 1 times 1?
1.
What's 1 times 10?
1.
Ah, I keep tricking you. What's 1 times 10? 10. What's 1 times 1? I know you know it.
1.
What's 1 times 1?
1.
What's 1 times 1? Okay, what's 1 times 10? 1 times 1? I don't know. No, I tricked myself. What's 1 times 10? Okay, and what's 1 times 1?
1.
And what's 1 times 1? What's 1 times 1?
Also 1.
Oh, now we're on our last row, right? Okay, what's 1 times 10?
10.
10, good. What's 1 times 10?
10.
10. What's 1 times 1?
1.
What's 1 times 1?
1.
Kids in our classroom.
Whoa, that would be too many kids for me. Oh, I'm glad we don't have that many kids in our classroom. But we might have that many colored pencils. All right, now we have to figure out how many colored pencils we got. No, wait.
800.
Wait, should we put the hundreds together, I was about to say? And Stefan already did it.
I know there's a 1,000.
No, he thinks there might be 800. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Am I counting by tens?
Yes.
Am I supposed to be counting by tens?
Yes.
Okay, now this is 100.
101, 102,
No. This is how I say it. 100,
200,
200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Okay, I have 800 so far.
And 10 plus And 10 plus 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 10 is 100.
That's right. These tens are 100. Let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I can trade these tens in for another 100. Now I have 900. Do you think I have another 10 here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
And 40.
Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at this. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Ooh, we already have 1,000 colored pencils. That would be awesome. Now, is that all? Are we done?
No.
Look how many more we have. 1,000 and, what's this? Okay, so we have 1,040.
1040.
I just told you the answer, but you know this. But 40. And now look at all these units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you think we know how to count by sixes in 3 sets of 6? 6, 12, 18. So should I just put 18 right here?
Nope.
No.
Can I put 18 units in the number?
No.
Like if I'm writing a number, I can't smush 18.
Trade some for a 10.
Trade how many for a 10?
10.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh gosh. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got it. I got 10.
I have a lot of things.
I have a 10. Ooh, now we have 50. 1,050. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. We have 1,058. Okay. Wow. Let's double check. Okay. I'm going to put this
An
into
area model.
an area model like we have done a couple times before, where we actually do the numbers instead of the just tens and hundreds and ones. We're going to break up the numbers. Okay, so 20 and 3. That's right. Now what down here?
4. D.
4D. And
And 6.
6. Now
Okay,
we're
so
going to do partial products this way and do our what we know. Do you know what 4 times 2 is?
4 times 2 is 8.
8. And so look, we have these multiples of 10 here. We have this 0, which means it's a multiple of 10, and this 0, which means it's a multiple of 10. Can you say multiply by a multiple of 10? There he is, the man we've been talking about. We were just talking about your book about what a 0 can do. Yeah, because we just made a big number by multiplying by a multiple of 10. Can you guys say that with me? Multiply by a multiple of 10. So 20 times 40 times 20 is
800.
800. Now I have 40 times 3. 12. Well, close. 40 times 3 would be, 4 times 3 is 12.
1200.
4, 8, 12. It would be 12. But 40 times 3, no, it wouldn't be 1200. We only have one multiple of 10 here. So I'm going to put this 0 here as a multiple of 10. 120. Okay, now I have 6 times 20. Does anybody know what 6 times 2 is?
6.
Egypt? 6, 12. That's right, 6, 12. Okay. Do I have any multiples of 2 here? I mean multiples of 10. Do I have any multiples of 10 in this numbers?
Yeah.
Yes. Where do you see a multiple of 10? Bam! That's a powerful multiple of 10. When we're multiplying by multiples of 10, man, something magical happens. We can place that 0 there because, why? Can anybody say it now? It's a tongue twister. Yes. Can you say it? Why did we put a 0 there? No, I want you to tell me that. Can anybody tell me that? Why did we put a 0 there?
Multiply by multiple of 10.
Nice. Everybody said it.
Multiply by
Multiply by a multiple of 10. Good. Okay, now what else did you want to say? Ooh, that's you can do it. Figure it out.
What is it?
6 times 1,000.
6,000.
That would be 6 of these. It would be 6,000. Yep. Okay. So now 6 times 3. What is 6 times 3?
3 is 8.
6, 12, 18.
18.
What's 6 times 3?
18.
You got to know when to stop, right? That's the first thing they teach you when you're driving a car is you got to know when to stop.
Yeah.
Right?
At a red light.
Right. You got to stop because otherwise you crash, right? No, it's not 24. We only have 3 fingers. Because you only have 3 fingers. She thinks it's 18. Now, show me 3 fingers. Now, look at your fingers while you're singing the song. 6, 12, 18. Nice. Are we done?
No.
Did we get the same answer as this yet?
No.
No. So what do we need to do now?
800.
Put these all these 4 numbers together and add them together?
Yeah.
800
So I'm going to put 800
plus 120
plus 120
plus 120 plus 8.
Put it in its right place.
Oh, I didn't what?
Put it in its right place.
Oh, come on. Get in your place, right? Get in your place.
120.
So where should I put the 120? Should I put the 100 in the hundreds place?
Yeah.
That's his place, right? Get in your place, man. Man. Now I'm going to put the 18 here.
There's 2. No, it's not in this place.
I can't trick you
Put the 8
anymore.
right here and the 1 right here.
So because there's 1
It needs
10
to be
and
in
8
the
units?
0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8.
8.
0 plus
Okay.
and
So 2
0
plus 2 plus 1. 5. Nice. And 8 plus 1 plus 1.
8 plus 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That means 8 plus 2 is 10.
Everybody say. So can I smush a 10 right here?
Not
Really? No, I'm going to put a 0 here and the 1 in the next column. But since there's no column for it to stand on, it's just going to go.
1,800.
No, that's not what it says.
1,058.
Do we have 1,050 and 8?
Yeah.
That's so cool, y'all. You did something that you're not supposed to know how to do yet.
It is.
So forget about it.
No.